You know that feeling when you wake up in the morning, and before you even sit up in bed, your knees feel tight, your back feels heavy, and your shoulders just don't want to move. It's almost as if your body is whispering, "Hey, give me a few hours to warm up." If you're over 60, you might think stiffness is just part of aging. But what if I told you it's not entirely true? I'm Dr. William Carter, and today I'm going to share with you one simple 2-minute morning stretch that melts away stiffness, boosts flexibility, and helps you start your day feeling lighter and younger. And no, you don't need to be flexible, athletic, or even leave your bedroom to do it. Why you wake up stiff? Let's first talk about why your body feels like it's made of wood in the morning. When you sleep, your muscles aren't moving much. Blood circulation slows down. Joints produce less synovial fluid, the oil that keeps them moving smoothly, and your connective tissues tighten. For seniors, this is amplified by loss of muscle mass, sarcopenia, lower collagen production in ligaments and tendons, inflammation from lifestyle factors or old injuries, dehydration. Yes, even mild dehydration makes joints stiffer. That's why the first movement you make in the morning feels like rusted hinges trying to open. But here's the good news. The right stretch not only unlocks your joints, but also improves blood flow to your muscles, delivering oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. The 2-minute morning stretch. This stretch combines gentle spinal mobility, hip opening, and shoulder activation in one smooth sequence. I call it the sunrise flow because it wakes up your body like sunlight breaking through the blinds. Step 1. The bedside shoulder sweep. Sit on the edge of your bed. Keep feet flat on the floor. Slowly raise both arms out to the sides and overhead, taking a deep breath. Lower them slowly while exhaling. Repeat 3 times to open up your chest and shoulders. Step 2. The gentle spinal twist. Still sitting, place your right hand on your left thigh and gently twist your upper body to the left. Hold for 5 seconds, breathing deeply. Switch sides. This releases tension along your spine and improves blood flow. Step 3. The hip wake up. Stand up, holding the bed for support. Gently lift your right knee, as if marching in place. Lower, then lift the left knee. Do 5 per side. This lubricates your hip joints and activates your core. Step 4. The full body reach. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Reach both hands toward the ceiling, stretching your spine upward. Rise onto your toes if you can, then slowly lower back down. This elongates your body and wakes up your leg muscles. Why just 2 minutes works? Your body responds instantly to movement. This short burst triggers circulation, warms connective tissues, and reduces inflammation by helping lymphatic fluid flow better. Think of it like starting your car in the winter. Just a little warm-up, and suddenly, everything runs smoother. What happens if you skip morning stretching? When you don't move your body early in the day, stiffness compounds over time. Your posture suffers, your balance weakens, and everyday movements like bending to tie your shoes or turning to look behind you in the car become harder and sometimes painful. And here's something most people don't realize. Skipping simple morning mobility can speed up age-related joint problems. The extra benefits you'll notice if you start doing this stretch tomorrow morning. Here's what you may notice within a week. Easier walking in the morning, less lower back tension, shoulders that feel freer, more energy throughout the day, improved balance because your muscles wake up sooner. And here's my favorite part, you'll likely smile more in the mornings. When your body feels better, your mood improves, too. Doctor's extra tips for stiffness-free mornings. Drink a glass of water before bed, prevents dehydration overnight. Keep a warm blanket handy. Warmth relaxes muscles faster. Breathe deeply during stretching. Oxygen helps muscles relax. Stay consistent. Even 2 minutes daily is more powerful than 15 minutes once a week. Pair stretching with light morning sunlight. Helps regulate your circadian rhythm, making mornings easier. The Morning Mobility Challenge. Here's my challenge to you. For the next 7 days, try this stretch as soon as you wake up. No coffee first, no phone, just this short routine. Then, come back to this video and tell me, did you notice less stiffness, more energy? Did your mood improve? Final words from your doctor. Aging does not mean surrendering to stiffness. Your body is still capable of movement, healing, and energy. It just needs a little help to wake up. The right 2 minutes in the morning can set the tone for your entire day. So tomorrow, when you open your eyes, remember this. Your first movement is your most important one. Give your body the gift of those 120 seconds, and it will give you freedom, flexibility, and joy in return. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel for more doctor-approved tips for seniors, and share this with a friend who wakes up feeling stiff. And don't forget, drop a comment below, telling me if you're taking the 7-day stretch challenge. You have more power than you think. Until next video.